I'd like to thank the Academy for this award.
Hey, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I'm Jerry.
I'm Teresa.
Hey, and in this video, we're going to talk about these ground up and molded used tires. We're talking about the SnapPad. And we've done a video before on the SnapPad, so we're not going to bore you with a whole bunch of details. And there's 100 SnapPad videos out there, but stay tuned because we could save you some money on the SnapPad. And we want to talk about one of probably the most important parts of SnapPad that we found, and we discovered it just this week, and we want to share that with you. But as you can see, we have a SnapPad right here. We have one SnapPad because we lost a SnapPad this summer somewhere in Wyoming.
Yes.
Don't know where, it's just somewhere in Wyoming.
Could be on a train track, could be on a corner, could be anywhere.
Yeah, stuff happens. So our fifth wheel has a 6-point stabilizing leveling system. And so we need 6 of the SnapPads to make sure that all of our landing gear are covered. So they are permanent, but things happen, and when you bump into a curb or go over a railroad track, or you have excessive bumpy roads, SnapPad will tell you that, yeah, sometimes they do fall off, and we had one fall off. Contacted SnapPad, and they sent us a new one, and so we're going to quickly show you the install of that. So a couple things real quick before we install this one. What is your favorite part of SnapPads?
I love that I don't have to go to each one and put a different pad or the bricks underneath of them. That's what I love.
Yeah, because you get to campgrounds, and like where we're at right now, it's not level, it's gravel. And so when you put just regular metal landing gear, you're going to get some sliding and shifting. And so you're always going to put something down. And you want to reduce the amount of extension you have on your stabilizers anyway. And so this takes out a lot of that wiggle and shake. Sometimes you have to use blocks, and these also make a more stable platform for that. And we'll show you, because we're on blocks right now with our SnapPads, and it's removed the shake. So let's get this installed.
Okay, so the first step you want to do is get some Dawn dish soap or any dish soap, and you're going to run it around the circle right here, and then it's going to flow down there. So let's do that. Let's get all this on there, and it makes it so that it's easier for it to slide in and get all the way in. So I'm just going to make sure. Okay. So it's as easy as that. You just put it on there, push the button, and it slides right in.
Yeah, when you see your landing gear go underneath the lip, it's done. Okay, so now let's talk about the benefits of having the SnapPads.
Okay, so one of the benefits is that it's permanently installed. Once you put it on there, it's set. Now, if unfortunately one falls off like ours did, we called customer service, and they sent us a new one because it's lifetime guarantee.
Right, so all you have to do there is just when you get your SnapPads, whether you buy them from a dealer or you buy them online, just have your proof of purchase, and you'll go to the SnapPad website, register your SnapPads. Once they're registered, they know your make, they know your model, they know your size,
Right.
they know all that stuff about your SnapPads, and then they'll ask you a few questions like, were you crossing railroad tracks or whatever. But beyond that, new SnapPad is on the way. The other thing that I really like about them is it increases the surface area. So, you know, rather than having just a 9-inch landing pad, essentially, or landing gear, now we have 12-inch landing gear that are non-skid. So before it was just metal on whatever surface, metal on grass, metal on rocks, metal on concrete, metal on asphalt. Now it's a really good composite material that protects your landing gear, keeps all that stuff clean and safe, and you never have to worry about taking them off. And a bonus is because you use soap to install it, they stay clean for a little while, because every time it rains or you go through, it does that. So the SnapPads are really good for protecting your stabilizers, landing gear.
On another note, they use tires to make these. So we're taking all those tires out of the junkyards and landfills, and they're making these, and they're going to last for a while.
Yeah. They say that they've used over 50,000 tires in the making of SnapPads.
I'm sure it's more now.
Yeah. And as an added bonus, it is an electrical insulator. So your SnapPads basically ground you. And that makes it, you know, a little bit safer, especially those of you that get like severe electric storms. Okay, I just want to say real quickly, again, how impressed we were with the customer service. We called them on the phone and they walked us through the steps of getting our SnapPads registered, and we failed to register them when we first bought them. And we bought them from a local dealer, and I just had my proof of purchase, took a picture of it, uploaded it, and like I said, filled out the form, and a SnapPad came in, I think, like 4 days. So really great customer service, and the people there are super friendly. Now let's talk about how we can save you some money. So now, in full disclosure, we are not employees of SnapPad. We paid every penny for our SnapPads. And yeah, they're not that cheap, but you only have to buy them once. Now, we have become affiliates with SnapPad because we want to save you money, and we want to continue our effort on helping veterans. 100% of the funds that we get from SnapPad because of your purchases will go directly to helping small veteran charities. We will not take any money from that. So we could save you 10% if you use the code Jerry94290. You don't have to write that down. I'll put it in the description below, and it's somewhere on the screen. But if you use Jerry94290, that'll save you 10%, and $10 of every purchase will go to small veteran charities. How's that?
That's awesome.
Yep. So SnapPad is helping us help you, help others. Yeah. All right. So we are sold on SnapPads. We've had them on this rig for a full year now. Have been absolutely 100% satisfied with the products and the customer service and the company and how they do their business. And we'd like to share that with you. So use that code, get yourself a set of SnapPads. Now, before you think you need a Class A or a fifth wheel, they make SnapPads for every kind of RV. Travel trailers. So just go to their website, select what kind of SnapPads meet your needs, and
Put the code in.
Put the code in, and it'll save you some money. All right, with that, we will close this out, and
See you next time.
Yep, we'll see you next week.